This set by Grand Patio has been amazing for a backyard. We've been looking for the longest time for a good modular couch that still felt quality for our backyard. We've got a smaller patio. We've got 3 kids, so we wanted something super washable, super modular, where we could change the locations as we get different toys out here. One thing that I really like about this is how washable it is. All of the cushions come off. I'll show you. You can just unzip and put it in a wash, and even these cushions too. And we got the 7-piece. Really happy with the 7-piece. All of them come with this, which is very durable. We've already experienced that. It is white, so I mean, it does get its fair share of love, but I've come out here with just like a dish soap when the kids are playing. I just will scrub the pieces. I really like the look of the white. So I would highly recommend this if you're in the market for an outdoor set, especially if you're not sure like the shape. Because your patio's kind of weird, and like we're having a situation of what to do with our grill. So it's just been really not fun to play with. But once you decide where you want it to be, they hook together. So yeah, we're really happy with it so far, and we'll see how it holds up. But it's been several months already, and once I scrub it out or wash the cushions, it looks brand new. It feels heavy duty. We're big people. It's been great. So I would highly recommend this Grand Patio set.
Oh, and we're trying. Oh no. What am I gonna do? Wait a sec. It's not absorbing heat. Wow. Wow. Would you look at that? It just slides right off there. It's like the aging. In our reality, you see the faucets. Where clothes, that's another story. Who cares? It's the end of the day. It can change out into us. But yes, I got water all over my face. So these things are practically waterproof, dust proof. Is that the word? Yeah, dust free. Like it just wipes right off. So these are letting superior grade fabric, and it's quite wonderful.